Trucks are supposed to be rugged, reliable, and built to handle anything you throw at them. But not all trucks live up to that promise, especially when their engines turn out to be complete disasters. In this video, we're counting down the 15 worst truck engines of all time. And trust me, some of these will shock you. These engines are notorious for unreliability, draining bank accounts, ruining rides, and leaving owners stranded. But here's the real kicker. One of these terrible engines is still lurking on the market today. You might even own it without realizing it. And at number 1, we have an absolute nightmare on wheels. An engine no truck owner should ever have to face. Be sure to watch until the end, because avoiding this engine could save you thousands. Let's get into it. Number 15. Chevrolet 350 Diesel, 1978 to 1985. GM introduced this engine to compete with diesel trucks in the late 1970s, but cut too many corners in the process. Instead of designing a brand new diesel engine, GM modified an existing gasoline engine, and the results were catastrophic. Why was it a disaster? Weak cylinder heads prone to cracking, broken head bolts, and gasket failures. Severe durability issues. 80% of these engines were returned for repairs under warranty in 1981. Underpowered and inefficient, struggling against Cummins and Ford's diesel offerings. This engine was so bad, it damaged GM's reputation in diesel trucks for years. Number 14. Dodge 2.2L Diesel, 1981 to 1995. This was Dodge's attempt at a small, fuel-efficient diesel for light-duty trucks, but failed miserably. The major problems: overheating issues leading to blown head gaskets, frequent oil leaks causing expensive repairs, terrible highway performance, underpowered and sluggish. Sales were so bad, Dodge discontinued it, and most owners replaced it long before it wore out. Number 13. Cummins ISX, 1998 to 2016. Cummins is known for reliability, but the ISX was the exception. It was supposed to be a heavy-duty workhorse, but maintenance turned into a nightmare. Its biggest failures: chronic EGR system failures, leading to coolant leaks and overheating. Injector problems, causing misfires and power loss. Turbocharger failures, leaving drivers stranded. Repair costs could easily exceed $10,000, making this engine a huge financial burden. Number 12. Caterpillar C7, 2003 to 2009. Caterpillar is another name known for durability, but the C7 was a major disappointment. Its biggest issues: fragile fuel injectors that caused excessive fuel consumption. HEMI injection system failures, leading to stuttering performance. EGR valve failures, causing constant overheating. This engine was notorious for expensive breakdowns, making it one of Caterpillar's worst missteps. Number 11. GMC 5.7L V8 Diesel, 1978 to 1981. Another horrible GM diesel experiment. Why it failed: converted from a gas engine, making it ill-equipped for diesel stress. Weak cylinder heads, head gasket failures, and injection pump issues. Made only 120 horsepower, seriously underpowered. By 1981, GM quietly discontinued it, and for a good reason. Number 10. Ford 2.7L EcoBoost V6, 2015 present. Ford's EcoBoost engines are great on paper, but this one comes with serious reliability concerns. Its common issues: timing chain stretching, leading to misfires and expensive repairs. Plastic oil pan leaks, requiring early replacement. Turbocharger failures, costing thousands to fix. This engine is still on the market, so buyers beware. Its long-term durability remains questionable. Number 9. Dodge 4.7 LV8, 1999 to 2013. Dodge positioned this as a mid-range truck engine, but it became a nightmare for owners. Why? Chronic overheating, blowing head gaskets, oil sludge buildup, leading to engine failure. Underpowered compared to competitors, making towing a struggle. This engine left many Dodge owners frustrated, and better alternatives existed. Number 8. Nissan 5.0 L Cummins, 2016 to 2019. Nissan thought teaming up with Cummins was a great idea. Spoiler, it wasn't. Why was it a disaster? Turbo failures causing complete power loss. Frequent fuel system leaks leading to engine stalls. Severe overheating problems, sometimes causing catastrophic damage. After just 3 years, Nissan killed the engine, tarnishing both their reputation and Cummins. Number 7. Ford 6.0L Power Stroke, 2003 to 2007. One of Ford's most infamous truck engines ever. What made it terrible? Head gasket failures due to weak head bolts. Constant EGR issues leading to overheating. Injectors failing prematurely, causing misfires and power loss. This engine was so bad, Ford had to replace it entirely with another problematic engine. Number 6. Ford 6.4L Power Stroke, 2008 to 2010. Ford didn't fix their diesel problems with the 6.4L. It actually got worse. Its worst problems: fuel dilution issues, causing excessive engine wear. Horrible fuel economy, despite high horsepower. Turbo failures, leaving owners stranded. The 6.4L Power Stroke was a financial disaster, and Ford quickly scrapped it. Number 5. Ram 3.0L Eco Diesel, 2014 to 2023. This engine was marketed as fuel efficient, but it had serious reliability issues. Major problems included timing chain failures, sometimes wrecking the engine, excessive oil consumption, leading to internal damage, emission scandal lawsuits, making resale values plummet. Despite its early promise, this engine never lived up to expectations. Number 4. Ford 3.5L EcoBoost, 2011 to 2014 first generation. The first generation EcoBoost was a letdown. Its biggest flaws: carbon buildup, reducing performance and requiring expensive cleaning. Turbo problems causing power loss. Early timing chain wear, leading to expensive repairs. Later versions improved, but early buyers suffered costly problems. Number 3. Toyota 5.7L iForce V8, 2007 to 2021. Toyota rarely makes bad engines, but the 5.7L iForce had some major drawbacks. Problems included horrible fuel economy, single-digit MPG when towing, timing chain stretch, leading to expensive repairs, weak aftermarket support, making repairs pricey. It was reliable but outdated, and Toyota finally replaced it. DS2, Chevrolet 6.6 litres Duramax LLY 2004-2005. This short-lived Duramax version had significant overheating problems. Why it failed? Weak head gaskets, causing constant coolant leaks. Turbocharger failures, requiring expensive replacements. Injectors clogging prematurely, reducing power. Chevy fixed it with later versions, but early Eli Lilly models were a disaster. Number 1. Ford 5.4L 3V Triton V8, 2004 to 2010. The worst truck engine ever. Biggest issues: spark plugs breaking during removal, leading to expensive repairs. Failing cam phasers causing timing issues. Oil pump failures, starving the engine of lubrication. Ford eventually scrapped this engine, but not before it left thousands of owners frustrated. Police Scarlight, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car content.